Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all you have a good news today. In this video, I will explain about all the material I have learned. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadila Rahmi, BP number 2001 081016 from class Computer Engineering 2A. Okay, I will explain why one by one the material that I have learned. Here I will start from now to introduce myself. Things to consider when introduce yourself. Yang pertama, the first greetings, the second your name, the three location, the four position and company, the five qualification, the six experience, the seven family, the eight hobby, the nine egg, and the last fun fact. Next is the material about the importance of English for IT student. English is very important for IT student because all program and event it in all in English, and the learning model in it also use English. As an example, the first example give you reader access to knowledge. For example, in the IT learning module, everything is English. The second, you can usually travel anywhere in the world. For example, we want to go abroad, we must be able to speak English because English is global language. The three, speak English give you access to a world of entertainment. For example, music, movie, use English a lot. With us being able to speak English, then we will usually understand the meaning. Therefore, English open up new career opportunity. A good English can help you career get better promotion and position. For example, the company gets a foreign client or has to hold a meeting abroad. The next material, give an opinion about the importance of English for IT student segment. I think English is very important for students because every learning module and program language use English. Next is material important of English for IT student and IT for related vocabulary. A lot of vocabulary related to it. There are several types of vocabulary such as noun, adjective, verb, adverb, superlative adjective. Here I will explain a little explanation of some of the types of vocabulary used. The first, noun are words used to name or mention people, things, place, and idea. The second, adjective are words describe the quality or state the being of nouns. The three, verb are words that indicate an action, event, or state of being. The fourth, a verb is a class of words that give information to other words. And the last is superlative adjective, used to describe an objective that high or lower level. The next is material working in IT industry. The increasingly advanced technology is a sign of the rapid development of information technology in the world. Include in Indonesia, as technological advance provide many opportunity who have skill in IT industry. Many company are now looking for candidate who can not only design, research, but only candidate who can develop hardware and software in it. Yes, you can say that is the era of technology. There is no longer a world is technology starting in today's company. This is the big background why career in the IT field are now sought after by many companies. In addition to keeping pace with technology advance, it is also to increase company individually and productivity. There are many careers in this field, including the first web developer, The second is software engineer. The three mobile application developer. And the fourth is information security analyst. The five IT support and many more. The next is material. Review basic grammar. Subject, verb and object. The subject itself is the actor or person who carried out certain activity. Subjects are generally nouns such as name of people, animal, plants, and things. And the predicate is a sentence element that states the activity being carried out by the actor or subject. Predicate are usually verb, while the object is something that is subject the action by the subject. Like the subject, the object can be a noun. Next material, hardware. Hardware is the part of the computer that we can see its physical form. Computer hardware is composite the electronic and mechanic component that are assembled to form module their name according their function. Kinds of computer hardware. The first mainboard or motherboard. Second processor CPU. The three hard disk. The four RAM. The five optical drive. The six floppy disk. Seven VGA card. Sound card, keyboard, and the last mouse. Next material. The paragraph to describe the object consists of five parts of follow. The first function, second component, the three characteristic, for position, five connection between our part. Next material, software. Software is a special term for data that is formatted and stored digitally, including computer program. The documented and various information that can be read and written by a computer. In other words, part of a computer system is intelligibly. Software function processing data, command, or special instruction so that user can operate their computer according to the desired information result. Software example: the first software system, the second browser system, the three one is Microsoft Office, the four Paint software, the five antivirus software. Next material. Comparative means to compare the difference between two objects. Making a comparative example sentence, record adjective or an adverb. In this comparison, there are four types of comparison that can be used in making English sentence, namely comparison based on the syllable, comparison based on two syllable, comparison based on three syllable, and exception. Next material, superlative. The superlative degree is used compare there or more object, which can be living or imaginary object. The superlative degree is the high level in degrees of a comparison, and if it is translated into Indonesian, the superlative has two meaning of most. Alright, this were explanation of the material for me. If there's something wrong in the lack of it, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.